Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. This is your maths book, Oxford New Countdown, Book 5, 3rd edition. Today our lesson number 5, topic numbers and arithmetic operations, exercise 1B, open page number 7. Students, on page number 7 you have question number 4. Put date, day. Add the given numbers. Part A, 1,984,623 plus 2,015,346. Students, addition means to find the total value of two or more numbers. These two numbers which are being added, they are called as addings. And the answer that we get on adding these two numbers, that answer is called the sum. So here that 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 0. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. So 9 as it is. 1 plus 2, 3. So answer is 3,999,969. Students, part F. To add these two numbers, now we will start adding them the ones place. So 2 plus 9 equals to 11. But we cannot write two digits in the answer. So we need to regroup 11 into 1 tens and 1 ones. Student, in simple terms, carry 1 to the tens place and write 1 in the ones place. Now let's add the digits at tens place. 9 plus 9 plus 1 equals to 19. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 9, 10. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. So answer is 8, 8, 6, 8, 0, 1, 9, 1. 88,680,191. Students, kindly solve the question in this way and solve the remaining parts in your homework with the help of the given examples. Students, on page number 7 you have question number 7. Subtract the given numbers. Part A, 1,496,953 minus 205,343. Subtraction means to find the leftover or what is missing. So here the number sum which another number is subtracted is called minute. And so in this example, 1496953 and 205343 is the minute, and the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. We will start subtracting them from ones place, but 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 as it is. So answer is 1,291,610. 50,100,032 minus 28,052,164. Students, we will start subtracting them from ones place, but 2 is weaker than the 4. 4 need to borrow. It will borrow from tens place, so 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 2 minus 6, no, we cannot solve this, so we borrow from here. 1 को 0 किया, 0, 9, 9, 9 and 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 is weaker than 8, so we need borrow from this 4 and 10. It becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So answer is 22,47,868. Students, I have explained two parts from each question, question number 4 and 7. And the remaining parts you will do in your homework, and kindly do question number 4 and 7 in your book. Allah Hafiz.